Hi everyone, I'm Aryan Nair and welcome back to Aryan's Galaxy. Today I'm going to do a Rubik's Cube tips and tricks video. So in this tutorial, I'm going to cover over the best way to memorize algorithms. I'm also going to say how you can avoid clickbait videos on YouTube. Clickbait videos are like the videos that offer something but do not give you that. Yeah, it's kind of funny. I'm also going to show you 2 really cool tricks to do on a Rubik's Cube. So let's start. So the best way to memorize algorithms is using acrostics. Acrostics is the use of certain letters to make sentences. So I'll just give you an example. So here's the Rubik's Cube, and if you want to memorize this algorithm, which goes like this, easily you have to do like an acrostic. So run, down, run back, back, down. If you didn't get that, I'll just do that again. So this is another algorithm. Down, run, back, down. So that's actually a pretty cool way to memorize it. So you can say down for down. Yeah, you can just make up things. So yeah, that's a pretty cool trick. Now I'm going to show you how to avoid clickbait on videos. So if you notice a video that's only 1 minute long and it says solve a Rubik's Cube with just one algorithm, anything like that, if it sounds too good to be true anyways, it is not true. So yeah, that's a way to avoid clickbait. Now I'm going to show you the 2 really cool tricks. So the first trick is making a lot of daisies on the side. And if you don't get me, just see this. Do this turn, do this turn, do this turn. And as you see, this is a really nice pattern. And just reverse that. Put the cube back in the solve position. The next trick is changing the centers, and I'll explain that too. So the centers actually automatically changed, and just reverse that algorithm to put the cube back in the solved state. Thank you for watching my video, and please like, share, and subscribe to watch more of my videos. And click the notification button down below. Bye bye.